You've been too nice, too available, too predictable. And guess what? She's bored. She's pulling away. But today that ends. In this video, I'll show you how to flip the script, break her ego, and make her chase you. It's dark psychology, it's raw, and it works. Watch till the end. If you're ready to stop being the option and become the obsession. Women don't fall for the guy who hands over his heart on a silver platter. They fall for the man who makes them question their worth in his world. Here's the game plan. Step 1. Shatter the pedestal first. Stop idolizing her. She's not a goddess. She's human. The more you praise her without making her earn it, the more her ego inflates. And when her ego inflates, her respect for you deflates. Instead, give her a taste of indifference. Compliment her, but rarely. Celebrate her, but only when she does something truly impressive. Make her wonder, am I good enough for him? Step 2. Control the frame. The man who controls the frame controls the dynamic. Start making subtle power moves. Be the one who ends conversations. Delay your replies. Cancel plans, occasionally, for your own priorities. When you show her that she's not your world, she'll feel an uncomfortable gap, and her instinct will be to close it. That's when the chase begins. Step 3. Mystery triggers obsession. Don't overshare. Keep your life, your plans, your emotions slightly out of reach. When she asks questions, give partial answers. When she wants clarity, give ambiguity. Why? Because mystery breeds obsession. The less she knows, the more she fantasizes. And when a woman is imagining you, she's already chasing you. Step 4. Create competition. Nothing shatters ego like competition. Mention, subtly, that you've got options, that people want your time. Don't brag, just imply. Maybe it's a female coworker texting you. Maybe it's someone complimenting you at the gym. Her ego will flare. Her instincts will scream. Win him back before someone else does. Let me be clear, this isn't about manipulation. It's about rewiring the dynamic. Stop being the man who worships her. Become the man she's desperate to impress. Break her ego, not with cruelty, but with silence, mystery, and power. And when she starts chasing you, don't run. Walk slowly. Let her earn you. If this woke something up in you, hit like, subscribe, and drop a fire in the comments if you're done being the nice guy. More dark psychology strategies coming soon. Remember, control your energy. Control the game.